Okay, once again, welcome sa ating channel, sa Lopez Vlog. Sa araw na ito ay susukatin naman natin ang inyong mga academic preparations pagdating sa subject na Criminological Research 1 or Research Method. Mayroon tayong dalawang klase ng self-evaluation sa araw na ito. Yung first part ay yung multiple choice question at yung second part naman ay yung identification based sa proposed study ng bawat estudyante. Alright, so let's start to question number 1. Okay, so the first part of the examination is the multiple choice or the first part. Okay, the first part of the self-evaluation is the multiple choice question. Question number 1. This part of the proposal outlines the entire research plan. It describes what will be done, how it will be done, what data will be needed, and the method of analyzing the data. A. Statement of the problem. B. Hypothesis. Letter C. Significance of the problem. Or letter D. A careful and detailed analysis of proposed research procedures. Question number 2. The blank method or design is aimed at the discovery of the possible causes for phenomenon being studied by comparing subjects in whom a characteristic is present with similar subjects in whom it is absent or present to a lesser degree. A. Causal comparative. Letter B. Correlational design. Letter C, experimental research design, or letter D, none of the above. Number 3. Blank are the conditions or characteristics that the experimenter manipulates, control, or observes. A. Variables. B. Data. C. Respondents, or letter D, instrument. Question number 4. At times, it becomes rather difficult for an experienced or inexperienced researcher or a novice beginner in research to conceptualize a blank. A. Research problem. B. Hypothesis. Letter C. Significance of the problem, or letter D. Analysis of proposed research procedure. Number 5. The first job of this part of research is to tell the reader what your topic is and why it is interesting or important. This is generally accomplished with a strong opening hook. A. Introduction. B. Statement of the problem. C. Scope and delimitation, or letter D. Conclusion. Number 6. What is the process or step used to collect and analyze information to increase our understanding of a topic or issue? A. Information. B. Data. C. Research, or letter D. Thesis. Question number 7. What is the first step that every researcher has to undertake? A. Interpretation of data. B. Identification of research problem. Letter C. Analyzing the data gathered, or letter D. Plotting of questionnaire. Question number 8. This is important because the researcher point out how the answer to the question or the solution to the problem can influence educational theory or practice. A. Introduction. B. Statement of the problem. Letter C. Scope and delimitation, or letter D. Significance of the study. Question number 9. Why review of related literature or theoretical framework is essential? A. Because it limits the scope of the study. Letter B. Because it provides the objectives of the study. Letter C, because effective research must be based on past knowledge. Or letter D, all of the above. Number 10. What part of research will provide the researcher with the information about past researches related to his intended study according to Gay in 1976? A. Conceptual framework. Letter B. Review of related literature. Letter C. Introduction. Or letter D. None of the above. Okay, so let us proceed to part 2 of our self-evaluation. You answer the questions based on your proposed study. Okay, so let's start to question number 1. What is the title of your proposed study? Number 2. What is the general objective of your proposed study? Number 3. How many intended respondents of your study? Number 4. What are the specific statements of the problem of your study? And number 5. Discuss your methodology in conducting your proposed study. Okay, so submit all your answers using the link na makikita sa ating description box. Alright, so hanggang sa muli, maraming salamat. See you again next video.